Wow, so you actually click on this video, so I will assume that you expect some practical guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing something. Well, yeah, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Laksana and I'm going to give you guys practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, meditating, literally anything. But hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. I wish that you can watch this video until it ends, right? So yeah, this is March 21st, 2025, and this is gonna be day 256 of consistently helping people build consistency. So there's this one anime that I really like, and I think we can learn a lot from it. Okay, we can learn how to be consistent from this anime. So it's the anime name is One Punch Man. So some of you guys might actually have already know about it, but here's the short story about it. Like short explanation about the story, summary about the story, right? So there's this one person, his name is Saitama, and Saitama, he wanted to be a hero. So he trains, right? Basically, his training routine is really simple. Okay? It's 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats, and 10 kilometers of running every single day for 3 years straight without missing a day. Okay, so viewers disclaimer, this is not medical advice. Okay, I'm not saying that if you do this kind of exercise you're gonna be healthy, blah 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 blah. Well, I don't know about that. And even like if you actually just think of it, it might be dangerous to actually do that amount of exercise if you're a beginner, let alone not having any rest days, right? So yeah, this is not medical advice. I'm not saying that I recommend you to have that kind of exercising routine, but my point here, I want to highlight why this kind of framing, this kind of like routine framing is really effective. Why it's really good when we are trying to be consistent. Okay, not only in exercising. Okay, it can be like we can apply it to studying, we can apply it to meditating, to literally anything. So why? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. So Saitama basically got really extremely strong from his routine. He can basically like defeat all of his opponents with just one punch. So that's why his name is the One Punch Man. But okay, moving on to the video, right? To the video again, right? So why this type of routine framing is really effective? Why the systematization is really really effective? So notice how Saitama's Saitama's exercising routine basically is really, really clear. Okay, 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats, right? 10 kilometers of running. Notice that when we are trying to be consistent at doing something, right, we tend to not have any plan at all. Okay, we just got really hyped up, really motivated, and say, oh, I'm going to exercise every single day. I'm going to study every single day, but have no plan whatsoever. Okay, on day one we can maybe like do 1 hour of studying and maybe 1 hour of exercising. But on day two, we literally have nothing, we literally have no idea what is the thing that we are going to be doing, because we only say that, yeah, I'm going to exercise consistently, I'm going to study consistently. This is unclear and this is problematic. Why? Because here's the thing, what type of exercise that you're going to be doing, how many minutes you are going to be spending your time studying, how can you even be consistent at doing something even if you don't even have a clear idea of what is the thing that you're going to be doing on the first place. Okay. So basically, first thing first, we need to make it clear the thing that we are going to be doing. And I think Saitama's routine is really really good. It's really really clear because he's making it specific and measurable. Notice 100 push-ups. Okay, push-ups is specific and 100 is measurable. Okay, specific and measurable. So why is specific and measurable is important, right? So when we just, make it specific and measurable, it's become clear, right? And when it's really clear, we can actually know when have we actually finished it. Okay? Comparatively, when we just say that, oh yeah, I'm gonna exercise, how much exercising is enough exercising? How can we know when have we actually finished our exercise? How much is enough, right? Comparatively, when we just set on a daily target for our personal target, when we just say, oh yeah, 100 push-ups, okay? When we actually do the 100 push-ups, we can precisely know when have we actually fulfilled our personal target, right? So why it's effective, why it's really important to know when have we actually fulfilled it. Because one, why it's important, it's one, it's building us a sense of confidence, right? Oh yeah, I said that I'm going to be doing 5 minutes of reading a book. I actually did the 5 minutes of reading the book. Oh yeah, I've actually done the thing that I said that I'm going to be doing. I fulfilled my personal target. And know this kind of confidence is going to compound, okay? It's going to compound. Because, let's say we've been consistently doing this thing for the past 7 days. We can actually say that, oh yeah, you know what? Not only that I can, you know, uh, prove to myself that, hey, this is something that's realistic, achievable. But two, not only that it's achievable and realistic, I actually have the willpower, right? The willpower to actually do that thing. Because you know what? I have the chance to just, be lazy and not do the thing. But I choose to do it anyway for 7 days straight. And guess what? If I can do it for 7 days straight, I'm going to also make it on day 8, on day 9, on day 10, and so on and so on. So basically, the self confidence compounds, right? And also, if we do not have a clear goal, clear daily target, we are going to question our consistency. We are going to question our dedication. Okay? Because let's say I don't have any clear goal, and I don't have any clear daily target. I only do exercise, you know, as much as I can. Okay, one day I do, like 100 push-ups, the next day I do 5 minutes of running, and the next day I do, 50 pull-ups, the next day I do 5 push-ups, the next day I do 5 minutes of stretching. Well, basically, when I just don't have any plan like this, it's basically really unclear, and I'm going to question my dedication. And the probability of I not continuing the thing is going to be higher. Because here's the thing, I'm going to be thinking like, hey, you know what? Today I only did like 5 push-ups. Yesterday I did 20, and 3 days ago I did 50. You know what? I'm not I'm not progressing. I'm decreasing, okay? And also I'm not as motivated. I'm not feeling as motivated as I used to be. You know what? This is just gonna be something that I'm going to stop. This is something gonna this is just going to be something that I'm not going to be doing anymore in the future one day. So yeah, basically this is just, one of those habits that I've tried to form but failed eventually. So basically there's no point in continuing anyway. You know what? I'm going to stop, and yeah, that's it. Okay? Comparatively, when we have a clear target, clear daily goals, we're going to be thinking like, hey, you know what? Yeah, I say that I'm going to be doing this goal. I say that I'm going to be doing X amount of Y. I actually did the X amount of Y. Well, I have fulfilled my target. Okay? I have the pure confidence. I have the 100% confidence to say that, you know what? I fulfilled my target. Okay? So that's basically how you be consistent at doing your positive things. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and join our Discord. Oh yeah, and for today's date authenticity post, today, March 21st, 2025, and Mimzar posted a low-key fell off post last 24 hours. Thank you.